Zucchini pesto pastries, my guilty pleasure. Crispy on the outside, flaky and soft on the inside. Super quick and easy to make. Let me show you how. First, we need to get our zucchini really thin, and for that I am using a mandolin slicer. It makes the job so much quicker and easier. Look at those slices. That's exactly what we want, because they need to be thin enough to bend and roll without cracking. Now unroll your puff pastry and cut into strips, about 4 centimeters wide. Don't worry about being perfect here. I'm just cutting mine in half multiple times. This way they turn out more or less the same width. Slightly roll each strip to make it even thinner. Now lay your zucchini slices along the top half of the strip, overlapping them slightly, like fish scales. I like to flavor my zucchini with pesto. I'm just going to thin it out with a little bit of olive oil, so it will be easier to spread. Spoon a little bit of pesto on top of zucchini layer, not too much, and lightly spread it with the back of a spoon. Now the fun part. Fold the bottom part of the strip and gently roll. Nice and easy, no rush. Smooth out the seam so it sticks better. And look at that! A little pastry rose. Pop it into a muffin tin and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until the pastry is puffed up and golden. Gorgeous and super delicious. What are your favorite pastry fillings? Share in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.